Okay, as a quick tip, I just want to show you one feature that I like. It's image generation or regeneration. So open Google and let's search, for example, Scrum roles image that we will recreate. For example, this one, personas on this image. Okay, so let's first save it. Okay, we'll save this image. Okay, now let's go back to our AKOOL dashboard and click Image Generation tool. Okay, so this is image generation. Now we have two options. We have image to image and text to image. But for this purpose, we will use image to image generation. Okay, and then here we have option select reference image. We can do up to 4 images we can upload. So I will remove this one and I will upload that one that I just downloaded. Okay, now below this we have a prompt. So I will remove this prompt. This is the prompt that I want to use. Here in model is very important. We have several options we can use, but for this purpose I will use the best one, which is Nano Banana Pro Edit. It will cost us 3 credits to generate, and for this purpose I will choose 16:9 aspect ratio. And I clicked generate, so we are waiting for new image to be regenerated. It will look similar to the cartoon one that we just uploaded, but with real people. That's what we can expect. Okay, the generation process, depending on the prompt, could take 1 to 3 minutes. Once we are done, we can see if we like the result, or if not, we can edit prompt and regenerate new image. Keep in mind that regeneration costs also 3 credits. And here is our photo. So as you can see, the real people and the image we can now download and use in our videos, in our presentations. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.